Hello, everybody. It's me, Weatherman Nate underscore LOL with Faith 7. And welcome to another video. I am just at the window looking at this this powerful coastal storm that's impacting my area right now. It's hard to see at night, but it is blowing from off and on out here. Y'all can see them trees in the distance. It is blowing. The camera can't catch it, but I can catch it. And I can tell you my point of view. It's kind of breezy out there. And sometimes we might slip up and get a isolated, very strong gust of wind that you can hear it over there. You can hear it over there. And you can hear it over here too. You hear it over there. You can hear it over here. So yeah, I'm just enjoying the wind, just at my window, enjoying the wind, y'all. Storm chasing. Well, storm watching. Storm watching. The winds are, of what I've seen, 17 to 18 miles an hour. And it's supposed to get very strong tomorrow. Very strong tomorrow. I think tomorrow is when this storm out here is gonna get real bad. Probably early tomorrow morning. And I'm gonna have to wake up early too. Cause I like to catch and storm watch. Yep, just sitting here storm watching, just chilling. And then when a big gust of wind hit, yep, I get up and like to go crazy. Or just get excited. I'm just excited. I just get very excited when I hear the wind blow hard. But do y'all want to hear something? But do y'all want to see something that's not exciting? This right here. What? Do y'all see that? Alright, so like basically I was sitting down in this chair. Right there, I had this chair right here, right? And then I got up and the whole darn thing came off. The whole stool. That's a shame. No, well, what happened to it? What? Let me see. So that goes there, right? Hold up. I think that goes there. Yeah. I think that goes there, y'all. Hold up. Bro, this piece of junk. Alright. Yep, I'm going to have to take a break in a few moments, y'all. I'm going to have to take a break and go back and probably get some rest, take a nap, and go to sleep, and then wake up early, check the weather. But I want to pray before I go to sleep, pray, and stay in prayer, though. Always stay in prayer, y'all. God bless y'all.